Hello again. It's been a while since you've seen me. I've been very busy. It's been a really hectic year so far, but in a good way, so I can't complain. I've got a few videos coming up in the pipeline, and I just wanted to really catch in with you guys today just to give you a very quick update to say that I've not disappeared. I am still here, and to explain to you what's going to be coming up in the very near future. So last weekend was a good weekend. Lewis has a channel called Ringway Manchester. I've linked my videos to him in the past. He has a channel, if you haven't known or seen it, quite similar to mine. We do it on radios and range tests and different bits of equipment. Well worth a look. Go and have a look at that one. He basically came over. We thought we'd spend the day doing a bit of filming and testing of various different radios, VHF, UHF and PTT over 3G. Unfortunately, it didn't quite go to plan because of the weather. We had quite a bit of snow and an awful lot of fog, but we had great fun making a video. We did do a couple of contacts using 2-meter amateur radio, so you'll see the the issues with the weather we had on that day, but we had great fun. That video that Lewis is going to be putting out will be up probably over the next few days. It might actually be up tonight as well, so have a quick look when you get the chance. Well worth a watch. It was a great day out, that was. So that's coming up. Next thing, let's go to this one next. Push to talk radios or push to talk phones, push to talk apps, RT22s. Newer versions of these have come out. There's quite a lot of them now. I think the latest one I saw was it an RT7? I think it was an RT7, a lot better quality, really good bit of kit. Works a lot better, got very more responsive, it's more durable. But anyway, besides the point, since I did a video review on that PTT device a few months ago, I've had some very good positive feedback over it. Some people don't consider it to be radio work. Well, it isn't really radio work, I suppose, because it is a mobile phone. It's not a radio, is it, per se, although the device itself is radio, receives and transmits. However, the point is, emergency services, ESN, Emergency Services Network, they're going to be taking over the airwave infrastructure over the next year or so. That's what the emergency services will be using to communicate on. So airwaves, which are the current radios, will be going, ESN taking over. The way this is going to work is they're going to be handheld devices like a smartphone with a push-to-talk app. Just like having an ordinary smartphone, like an iPhone. They won't be iPhones, obviously, but an iPhone, a device with an app on, something similar to Zello, but hopefully a bit more sophisticated, and they'll be able to communicate. So that's the idea behind it. A lot of people have different opinions I've seen online as to whether they think the 4G system is going to be any good for communications. And bearing in mind it's emergency services, so it has to be reliable. So big discussions with that at the moment. I'd like to know your views, your opinions, your thoughts on that. And over the next week or so, I'll be doing a video with a bit more in depth as to what's going to be going on with that. And I think you'll find it quite interesting. So I'd like you to tune in for that if you want. But regardless, give me your comments and your thoughts, your opinions on that, because that will be helpful for me for the video. Okay, so next thing. Meisort, company in China, they make radios, they make electronic gadgetry, they make these wireless IP cameras. This is a CCTV camera that I've just done a review on. Remote controlled, you can operate and view this camera using a smartphone or a tablet or computer remotely anywhere around the world. I've done a review on it. You'll be quite surprised really as to actually how good the camera is, because I didn't realise they would be anywhere near as good as they are. Not only the quality, because this one's a HD camera, but also the way you can control and just move the camera around, pan it, tilt it, zoom in, zoom out, and with it being high definition as well, it's absolutely great. It's actually, what is it now? The model of this one, if you want to research it, it's a model IP20. So it's an IP20 Wi-Fi IP camera made by, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Meisort. Anyway, so that's the one there. Take a look at that one. There's going to be a review on my channel, hopefully over the next 3 to 4 days, where you'll see some little clippets of that, and you'll see yourself, or see for yourself how good that one is. So that's all good. Right, okay. I think I've covered everything now. Have I covered the Baofeng radio? I don't think I have. This is a GT-3WP Baofeng radio. It's IP rated, IP67 rated, so there's an element of waterproofness around this radio. As a handheld, that's it. It's a very tough, durable one so far. It's been dropped a few times. It has been used out in all weathers, in the rain, and in fact even the snow, and it's survived really well. Along the lines of a UV5R, those sort of range of Baofeng radios, dual band obviously, not much difference. You can't tell. The people I've spoken to haven't been able to distinguish between me using this and the Vi5R, sorry. But it's a real good tough one. I like it. So there's some more films coming up shortly involving this radio. Not necessarily a review, but something worth watching. So tune in for that one again. That's all going to be coming up over the next week or so. So that's it really. I just wanted to catch in with you guys, let you know where I've been and what I've been up to, because like I say, it's been a while and I do try to kind of get a video up regularly if I can. So take a look for those. Don't forget, link below will take you to Lewis's channel. Have a look at his videos. Like I say, the weekend when he came over, he should have a video up live, hopefully tonight or maybe the next day or so. Take a look at that as well. Okay, thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in my next video.